In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini AI on Android. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to Google Play Store, App Store, and proceed to search for Google Gemini. So from there, install this. So click on open once you're done installing this, and from in there, you should be able to open it. Now, as you can see, it will automatically log you into your main account on Google. So it will also open it directly into your chat. With this, you can just ask Gemini anything. So let's ask them to list cat breeds. So send them right here. You can also choose right here your mode, such as fast, 3 Pro, as well as Google AI Plus. After that, you can see right here the response. So it works such as a chat body, but you can also use it right here to generate images, videos, and the links. You can also attach right here images if you would want to. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.